In this video, you'll learn how to animate a still image into a moving video clip using the Image to Video feature in Premiere Mobile. We're starting with a blank project, but you can do this at any point in your editing process. Select Videos and Images, then choose Image to Video from the options. Select the image you want to animate. Once your image is selected, you'll see a text field where you can type a description of how you want your image to move. The more detail you give, the better Premiere can match the motion to your vision. Choose which model you want to use to generate this image. Firefly is the default, but feel free to explore our partner models. Next, choose your aspect ratio. You have 4 options: Auto, which defaults to a vertical aspect ratio of 9:16, or choose one of the other aspect ratios depending on what you need. Then select your resolution. You can choose Auto to let Premiere decide for you, or manually select one of the other options. This tool can currently generate 5 seconds of video. You can open the additional settings to see motion presets to help Premiere and Firefly decide how the camera should move within the animation. Premiere is utilizing Adobe Firefly to make these generations, and it will notify you of how many generative credits are used when animating a still image to video. When you're happy with your settings, tap Generate. This could take a minute or two depending on the complexity of your animation. Premiere will show you the animated photo as soon as it's ready. And that's it. Add it to the timeline to edit it like any other video clip.